Who is it that you're talking to?
I was talking to my cousin.
Okay, we'll put your cousin on the screen because your cousin spoke, which means your cousin's on the record, which means I've got to put your cousin information on the record.
Welcome back to Time Serve, the channel scans so you don't have to. I have exciting news for you. I found a brand new judge out of Georgia. His name is Judge Thacker, and boy, is he a doozy. He's got the Judge Fleischer vibes. Hard-nosed like Judge Boyd, laid back, but he keeps the court rolling. I found an unbelievable clip that is an instant classic. He called... I'm not going to give you any more, but I'm just going to say one thing. He puts the guy on a stopwatch. It is unbelievable. Tell us how you like it by commenting down below. We'd love to hear from you. I'm going to be featuring him on Time Served 2. Tell us how you like him by dropping a comment down below. We love hearing from you, especially on this one. Like and subscribe. Set your notifications to all. Let's roll, nerds.
All right, Mr. Allen, you there?
Right.
It's not worth it.
Okay. Mr. Allen, am I correct that you have, you're home sick with COVID? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Will you please grab your COVID test showing it to be positive and hold it up to the camera?
Oh, one second. Let me. Where is that?
Also be curious to know who he was just talking to.
Mm-hmm. Kathy, let's go on record. Let the record reflect that Mr. Allen is up on the screen with clearly his phone, I guess, moving around in his house, looking for his positive COVID test.
Yes, sir. I'm trying to find. I think they might be. It's been like two days since I took it. So.
Okay. Well, I mean, you're saying you're not here, and this is a bond revocation hearing. So I'm saying you were supposed to be here in the courtroom. You're not here in the courtroom, and I assumed you would have known that you needed to show a little proof as to why you didn't show up in person for what was a very important hearing that was very clear that you might have gone to jail on. So I'm going to give you about 60 more seconds to find that test, and then I'm going to make some decisions.
It's, I don't know where.
All right. I've started the timer on my computer. We'll just sit quietly till it beeps, and then I'll make some decisions.
Where are those tests at? Huh? I don't. I know. All I need to do is, I literally just need to show. Did you throw them away?
Yeah, I did.
Look at the trash can out there. Look at the trash can.
All right. Okay, that's 60 seconds. All right. Let's go back on record.
Look in the trash can. Look in the trash can.
Mr. Allen, I'm noticing up on the screen that I'm not looking at a COVID test.
Yes, sir. I'm looking in the trash. I think that she might have thrown them out.
Well, I'm ready. I mean, you had all morning and you were supposed to be here in person. And let me put on record, Mr. Allen, that I'm not picking on you specifically, but like this is a trend that I'm trying to put a stop to, which is the state schedules people for a revocation hearing and then they sick and don't come to court and then they report virtually. And then the bond revocation hearing is actually kind of meritless because you're not here for me to deal with your bond. If I were to issue your bond be revoked at this moment, you're not going to be taken into custody and you're in another county. And so that's what my point is that you came here virtually after you'd been ordered to report directly. You knew you were supposed to be here in person and you knew that you needed to show me something, or you should have known, let me do it that way, that you needed to show me something that proved that you are doing what you're supposed to be doing. So it's now noon. You've been sitting here for 3 hours. And so I'm going to go ahead and make my decision, which is that I've requested a COVID positive test. I frankly would have accepted any sort of letter from your doctor or anything. You have none of those things, and I'm not going to sit here and watch you dig through your trash. So,
Judge, we could ask who he's speaking to. There's a female's voice on there.
who's present with you, Mr. Allen? Because that voice did appear on the record, so I need to. So go ahead and point the phone at whoever it is you're talking to, because I've got to put that on the record of who that is.
Hello?
Who is it that you're talking to?
I was talking to my cousin.
Okay, we'll put your cousin on the screen because your cousin spoke, which means your cousin's on the record, which means I've got to put your cousin information on the record. What's your cousin's name?
Shannon. Hold on, I think she walked outside.
Okay, I'm starting to feel like there's a little bit of evasiveness here because I'm asking you very simple questions. Who is with you? And you give me a vague and non-committal answer of cousin. I ask you for the person's name and you're telling me just Shannon. They're not Madonna. They have a full name that you're not giving, so you can forget that. I'm not going to worry about that anymore. I'm going to find that whatever it is that's going on with you, it is evasive. I'm going to find that I'm not getting the answers I want, and I'm going to find that you were absent without leave of the court. I'm issuing a bench warrant for your arrest. Sheriff's office will be by to pick you up and bring you to the Spalding County Jail. Mr. Shepard, you may release your witnesses. Mr. Allen, you may remove yourself from the virtual system.
Thank you.
All right, what's next?
Oh, we've got Miss Hamlet's hearing.